Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is getting out. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 new models are confirmed and the release date in Korea is also confirmed, but it is different than we were expecting before. Meanwhile, a new leak of a wider after display is also surfaced online. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. The previous release date that we were expecting on 10th of August, 2022, but now according to Anthony on Twitter, Samsung is going to start pre-orders for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 on August 16th. And pre-opening will start it on 23rd of August and goes on sale on August 26th. So we can expect Samsung will start prior as the day Deloitte Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and these dates are from Korea. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 1TB version surfaced on Korean news, where we see Universe stated that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 1TB version is still there at least in Korea, and with the name SMF936 and 1T. And the other models are 512 gigs with a different code names. Now you should notice that the 256 gigs of version is also available as a base model. According to rumors, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 going to get a wider address display, and the specs of those display will be 2048 into 790 pixels resolution. The aspect ratio will be 23:9 for the outer display. And this was already confirmed by Ice Universe in previous tweets. This is due to the new huge design where the area of the hinges decreased. And this also affected the crease on Z Fold 4. Meanwhile, Samsung is going to announce a mass production for its new 3nm chipset. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to come with the same 4400 mAh battery but with the more optimized processor to last longer than the Z Fold 3, and comes with 25 fast charger, no fancy 45 watt fast charging like S22 Ultra. And Samsung 25 watt fast charging works pretty well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to come with 3 colors: Phantom Black, Green, and by each, and will also come with only 12 gigs of RAM, not 16 gig here. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video and comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.